An arc leg is a procedural leg that cannot be created in the flight plan and must come from the database. The leg definition of the arc leg on the LEAF transition to the Klamath Falls VOR DME runway 14 approach is as follows. The arrow indicates the direction of arc, in this case a right turn. The distance of 20 is the arc distance from the LMT VOR. Sequencing on an arc leg is no different than sequencing onto any other FMS leg. Once established on the arc leg, the presentation on the HSI may be different than the conventional method of flying an arc. The course arrow will indicate a tangent to the arc, and when established, will be at the top of the HSI. The CDI will indicate the distance, left or right, of the arc, as it does with a track to fix or course to fix leg. As the aircraft flies the arc, the compass rose will rotate, indicating a changing aircraft heading. If an FMS bearing pointer is available and selected, it will point to the leg terminator of the arc. Occasionally, you will be given clearance to intercept an arc rather than proceeding to the initial fix of the arc. This is easy to accomplish with the FMS. First, ensure the approach is in the flight plan with the arc transition selected. Whether on an airway or direct to the VOR, allow the FMS time to zero the cross-track and track angle error. The FMS is now flying a drift-compensated heading that will track straight to the VOR. Next, place the FMS in command heading on the current heading of the aircraft. For the short time needed, the FMS will continue towards the VOR. We now enter a manual leg change, going from the initial arc fix to the next sequential waypoint. Recall that the FMS projects the active nav leg behind the from waypoint. It is no different with an arc. The FMS heading function will see an intercept at the point where the projected course to the VOR crosses the projected arc leg. Selecting Intercept will guide the aircraft towards the arc and will intercept the arc using a smart turn. The cross-track will indicate the aircraft distance from the arc. This method will work regardless from where you are entering the arc, even from inside the arc. The HSI will present a tangent to the arc. The FMS bearing pointer will point to the waypoint at the end of the arc segment. When the FMS captures the arc leg, the heading mode will cancel.